Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zeke, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to apply as an artist on TikTok. It's very easy guys, so let's get started. All right, so if you apply as an artist on TikTok, you'll be able to activate your music tab to promote your music. All right, so if you look at this screenshot right here, you'll be able to see this music tab right here. So once you're able to apply as an artist on TikTok, you get that music tab, and that music tab helps you to showcase all your songs or some of your songs on TikTok, right? So the next one is that you're going to get innovative tools for promoting your music, right? So if you are interested in getting more streams, then this feature is for you, right? And there are also lots of things that you can actually do with this feature. So let's just go straight and show you how to apply as an artist on TikTok. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to, of course, open your TikTok app and log in to your account. All right, so once you're logged into your account, next thing you want to do is to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Right, so once you click on that, you will land on your profile. So if you look at the top right corner of your account profile page, you'll be able to see these three lines right there. Go ahead and click on that, and from here you're going to see this TikTok studio option, right? Select that, and then you have to scroll down just a little bit, and you're going to see these more tools section right here, right? So what you have to do is to scroll right, and you're going to see the artist hub option right here. So what you have to do is to tap on it, and you get the option, right? So what you have to do is to just click on the apply now button at the bottom of your screen. So once you click on that, next thing you want to do is to enter your full artist name. All right, just click here and enter your full artist name. For example, let's say this is my artist name. All right, I'm not an artist, I just want to show you how to do it. All right, so let's take these artists, for example, this one right here. All right, so what I just want to do is to click on this claim option, because this artist hasn't claimed his, so I'm not going to claim his account, right? But I just want to show you the process. All right, so I'll click on the claim button, and then you're going to see the next thing you have to do is to log in to streaming platform for artists or music distribution platform you use, and take screenshots that contain the necessary details that you are seeing right here. Right, and these details we have to include your artist name, album title, or track titles. All right, so of course you should know your music distribution. All right, we have DistroKid, we have 1RPM, we have lots of them, right? We have forgotten them. We have TuneCore, right? So just log into the one you are using to distribute your music, take a screenshot that include your artist name, album title, or track titles, and then you have to come here and click on this plus sign right here. All right, once you click on that, you should be able to upload the screenshot from your phone or your device, depending on what you're using to do this. Right, so once you upload it, then you are going to see the submit button at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and submit that. Now after submitting, this is going to be under review. Right, so once everything is checked and you claim your account successfully, then your application will be approved. So that's it guys, on how you can actually apply as an artist on TikTok. If yes, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.